Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create a ledger or party in DataNote. First, log into your account. Navigate to Master and click on Account Master. Here you can see that there are two tabs in front of us. First is the entry list, which is showing us the entered ledgers, and the second tab is pending entries. Now, if we look at pending entries, all the data which is coming here is generated from the lead which has been authorized. To enter the remaining details of these parties, simply select the record, enter the remaining information if required, and click on Save. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will create a new ledger. Click on Add New from the top right corner. Please remember, all these fields are customizable and can be changed as per your requirements. Now, here in front of us, we can see there are multiple sections. So, let's understand all of them one by one. This is the main details section where you can see the fields about basic details of the ledger. Also here you can capture contact person details of the ledger. Then from other details, select attachments section, which is useful to attach any company related documents. Now select statutory details section where you can capture all statutory details of the party like GST number, PAN number, CIN number, etc. Then we have work details section, which is useful if the customer or supplier has more than one work location. Now here we have terms condition section to define the specific terms of the party. At last, we have credit days section to define credit limit and days. Now, just to give you an overview, we will take a look at main details section. Here, you need to select the type of party like customer, supplier, bank, general ledger, etc., whichever is applicable. Then, select the relevant industry if required and enter the party name. Now here you must select the appropriate BS group or balance sheet group, which in some cases is also known as chart of accounts. To define the BS group, you must go to BS group page, which is under the master module. Here we can create the multi-level chart of account or balance sheet group along with its effect and other purpose as per the company's requirements. Please make sure to consult your accounts team or CA before making the BS group. Now let's go back to Account Master and add a new customer. Here all the fields are customizable and you can add or delete any of these fields from form settings. To know more about it, you can check Form Settings Part 1 video from the link provided in the description box below. Finally, click on Submit to save the record. Once the record is added, the admin or the relevant person will need to approve it.